In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fit text within a single cell in Excel. If you have ever typed something into a cell and then noticed that the text spills into the next cell instead of staying neatly contained, this is exactly the fix you need. We will focus on a simple formatting option that helps Excel keep your text inside one cell. To begin, click the cell that contains the text which is currently overflowing. In this example, you will click cell A1. Take a moment to look at the sheet so you can see what is happening right now. You should notice that the text extends beyond the right edge of the cell and may even appear over neighboring cells. This usually occurs when the cell to the right is empty. Excel allows the text to display across empty space, but it can look messy and it can make your data harder to read and print. After you have selected the cell, you are ready to tell Excel how you want the content to be handled. Click the Home tab on the ribbon. The ribbon is the toolbar at the top of the Excel window, with tabs such as Home, Insert, Formulas, and more. When you switch to the Home tab, you will see formatting tools related to text alignment, font styles, and cell options. This is the area where the wrap text feature lives, so selecting the correct tab now will help you move through the process quickly. Now that you are on the Home tab, you can apply the setting that will keep the text inside the cell. Click the Wrap Text button in the Alignment group. The Alignment group is a section of the ribbon where you will find options for horizontal and vertical alignment. Wrap text is typically the control you need when your goal is to have Excel automatically move text to a new line within the same cell. When you click it, Excel updates the cell so that the text wraps, meaning it stays within the boundaries of cell A1 instead of overflowing into the space next to it. As you apply wrap text, pay attention to what changes in the worksheet. Excel will usually increase the height of the selected row so the additional lines fit properly. This is normal and expected. The key point is that the text should now appear on multiple lines, all within the same cell. If you still see only one line, check whether the cell width is wide enough to fit the text in a single line, or whether the row height can expand. Wrap text works by breaking the text into lines at the cell width, so the cell needs a reasonable width for wrapping to be noticeable. Once wrapping is enabled, your content should be easier to read. You can also take a moment to confirm that the cell now contains the full text without pushing it into the next cells. This helps keep your worksheet clean, especially if you are preparing a report, formatting a table, or printing the sheet. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.